the hell? They just go right through a stop.
Big time tonight around 9:45 when the Mets will enter the postseason for the first time in many, many moons. That obviously the headline with us.
Somebody important in the administration will come out, like Condi Rice or Cheney. When
here?
Get to see Cheney. That's like the sighting of a
Play game. That's the doubleheader game on Fox.
And that Mazda's rolling up the shoulder.
It seems like the Giants play.
You know what? The bottom line is they are. The pitching is. If they pitch like they
pitch, no one's beating them.
Who's not gonna who?
If they pitch like they pitch now, no one's gonna beat them. That's all there is to it. I guess I'm a little bit, kind of.
It's not even signaling, so I don't know what the hell he's
for the other shoe to drop like it always has to. Yeah, you don't sell it. That's good.
Oh, douchebag. I saw that. Are you at a complete stop on the on-ramp? Are you kidding me? What the hell? Oh wait, here comes a guy driving a truck with it's a van with a trailer in the left lane where he should not be, because they don't allow that in Connecticut. Idiot.
Really needed the support when we got it. I was hoping it'd come early, but it was great support when I got it.
That was where I like running way up there. Are you turning? Where are you going? Jeez.
Hear and they see individuals firing weapons at each other. We know from the evidence that we
signal would help.
That there were at least.
The guy I'm sure was mouthing off too.
Right.
But he basically was like, "Come on."
Whoa.
So.
Why would you do that?
Come on.
5 games, their last 5 games of the season. Every single one of those teams. Every single one of those teams. I do believe the Dolphins will be in the mix for a playoff.
So can you get?
Oh, now you signal? Oh my God. Wow. Keep running through.
Oh, go! Here comes the Spartan! Down the sideline!
They just run right through that stop sign. Why? That's a tough move. What? Not signaling either, there's a car behind me.
The streets of the top, I sold them all. All those gangsters, who you think helped mold them all? Now you wanna run around talking about girls like I
Come on.
But you think I sold them all? Cause I can stay on. Now I wanna get a take mails all day. Cause I've been in the lab, would have been in the past, trying to get this damn label on. I ain't having that.
Fuck, man. Turn signal. Oh, across 2 lanes, last second. Going way slower and cutting off a Subaru. Wonderful move. What are you doing?
Just saying, don't let your kids budge.
Yeah, good luck with that. Come on. What? You're exiting? Oh, nice. I saw that.
He pitches good for them. Your market is great.
They want the prime mark him daily, yeah.
Oh,
I love the guy. You know the problem is why I always feel uncomfortable correcting.
Oh, negative brakes checked. Jeez. That's sudden. Same color as your blinker. Or other way around. Get the fuck out of here!
Oh, my bad. Can I have an extra ticket? 3 seconds? Yeah, no problem. So Randy has paid you.
Idiot!
Well, he had Mr. Meta's wedding. I don't know if it's Sharon Studios. Oh, yeah. Just after 8 o'clock. All right, Greg. Hey, New York.
That's my second exit, too.
What a better way to release
What
the show.
fucking douche nozzle.
You know, from previous seasons, you know, he's been to the Pro Bowl, so like I said, everybody knows what these people are doing. You know, we just excited, you know, can't wait to
Can you signal, please? No one got a warning. They're alive.
Okay, from the booster or something, they're looking to...
And you're making a right turn at the last second, probably.
Come on, Patino, put it
How did I guess?
If Patino knows, go to the next job of the 730 you have, and don't give us this crap, okay? Joe, is it fair to say? What?
What's that guy doing?
While you absolutely not. Because if they're up 3-0, as I've said a million times. That was my question. As I've said a million times.
I think that's it.
Cubs are going to end this idiots, whatever you want to do.
What the hell? Cross 2 lanes like that? Front of that Chevy. Signal would help. Yeah, you decided to pointlessly drift. Yeah, without signaling, Nissan. Oh, you stupid douche. I saw that. We all want to slow down and look at that. And then last second get back in. So how are you doing? You're doing the same shit behind me. Wow. There's a car alongside me too. Whatever. Whoa. That blue car. And that's a red light runner. What? I do it.
Now on the control side.
That guy goes straight from left turn lane. Oh, come on. Are you serious? Great. Come on, go already. What, did all the old people decide to come out in droves now? Wait, which way are you going? Your lights are malfunctioning. I guess. I don't know. Now you're really taking your time turning left. You gotta wait for this. Oh, and you're signaling right, but going to the left. Come on, there you go.
I'm 920.
Throughout history, man has marveled
What?
at the world's wonders. The Taj Mahal, the Great Pyramids.
Yeah, no signal, kind of last second. I'll put that on the video.
Tommy Suggs does the color on the South Carolina network. We'll talk to him after news from Matt. It's Joe D. Gresh will be back
Frickin'
tomorrow,
man.
228 WTIT News Talk 1080.
They're gonna get on the plane. They're gonna be in Philadelphia. Fine, I'll take the train. They'll be there.
What are you doing?
They'll be there. We're just showing up. I get that. I got what is all is up? My gut tells me that this.
Let me guess, he's gonna cut across all the lanes.
All right, well,
Yes.
all right. I think you're gonna wake up tomorrow morning, and they're both gonna be. I think.
And you're still stuck at a red light, so you saved 0 time.
Very
Congratulations.
nervous about it.
Here I am, heart and the grit of harmony. I wanna go back to Dixie. I wanna be a Dixie.
Come on, can you like?
I need corn till it's coming out of my ears. I wanna.
Just keep going straight.
Using a bow or manipulating a spine. Renowned for operating on an eye, the knee, the heart. But stop and ask yourself, how good are you at cash management? Unfortunately, no medical school teaches you this critical skill for running your practice. But we will.
Come on.
Astoria Bank. We help professionals all over.
He was
New
giving
York
you room
run
the
their business
entire
software.
time.
We'll show you and your staff how to consolidate funds.
I was talking at the truck, dude.
And make your cash work harder. We'll teach you about check fraud, controlled disbursement.
I was honking at the truck.
Enough of that. Here's John Minko.
Great. One of these geniuses. You're gonna go.
Championship Series on TBS. The Mets and Cubs clash as Stephen Matz and Jason Hamill take them out in the Game 4.
What are you doing? That lane ends.
Partisan politics.
You're on the shoulder, basically.
That may be more than the country can take. I'm Pam.
Keep moving forward in the arc of this nation toward justice. The rights of the LGBT
Oh, you
community,
suck.
immigration
Fuck
reform,
you.
A few moments later.
and the next president's going to have to take it on. Most of all, I believe there's unlimited
Of all time, last night. His highest rated LCS game of all
I
time was
would've
last
done
night.
that.
Could you imagine what it would have been?
That's kind of sort of illegal, I think.
Yeah. Fucking house for the 9 quads, nigga. Yeah.
Oh, now you're just holding up traffic. What was that? Right on the shoulder? Turn signal would help.
I know
Yeah, you can't do that.
No trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be here. And we're in Connecticut where it's not allowed. Oh, well, sucks to be you. No trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. Oh, well, sucks to be you. You're in the video. And this is not a voiceover. You can still hear the sounds of the truck as I'm driving it along. I've been singing this song for years. You guys have not been paying attention. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Okay, see you in the next video. Okay, bye.